Intermittent fasting has gained popularity as a dietary approach for various health benefits. And recent research suggests it may have potential advantages for individuals dealing with cancer. This article explores how intermittent fasting can support cancer treatment and overall health. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. Common methods include the 16-8 method, where one fasts for 16 hours and eats within an 8-hour window, and the 5:2 diet, which allows normal eating for 5 days and restricts calorie intake to about 500-600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. The idea is to give the body time to heal and regenerate during fasting periods. Potential benefits of intermittent fasting for cancer patients: enhanced metabolic health. Intermittent fasting can improve metabolic health by reducing insulin levels and increasing insulin sensitivity. Lower insulin levels may help reduce the risk of cancer cell growth, as many cancers thrive in high insulin environments. Cellular repair and autophagy. During fasting, the body initiates autophagy, a process that removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This cellular cleanup can be particularly beneficial for cancer patients, as it may help eliminate dysfunctional cells that could contribute to tumor growth. Reduction of inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with various cancers. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation markers in the body, potentially lowering the risk of cancer progression and improving overall health. Improved treatment outcomes. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may enhance the effectiveness of certain cancer treatments, such as chemotherapy and radiation. Fasting can potentially protect normal cells from the toxic effects of these treatments while making cancer cells more vulnerable. Weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for cancer patients, as obesity can worsen outcomes and increase the risk of recurrence. Intermittent fasting may help regulate body weight and improve body composition, aiding patients in managing their overall health. Mental clarity and emotional well-being. Cancer treatment can be emotionally taxing. Some individuals report improved mental clarity and mood stability while practicing intermittent fasting, which can help enhance a patient's overall quality of life during treatment. Considerations and precautions. While intermittent fasting may offer several potential benefits, it's essential to approach it with caution, especially for cancer patients. Here are some important considerations. Consult healthcare providers before starting any fasting regimen. It's crucial for cancer patients to consult with their oncologist or healthcare team. They can provide tailored advice based on individual health status and treatment plans. Listen to your body. Fasting isn't suitable for everyone. Patients should pay attention to how their body responds to fasting and make adjustments as needed. Nutritional needs. During eating periods, it's vital to focus on nutrient-dense foods that support health and recovery. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can complement the benefits of intermittent fasting. Conclusion. Intermittent fasting presents a fascinating area of research with potential implications for cancer patients. While promising, more studies are needed to understand its full impact on cancer treatment and recovery. For those considering this approach, collaborating with healthcare professionals is essential to ensure safety and efficacy. By exploring the benefits of intermittent fasting, individuals facing cancer may find a supportive strategy to enhance their health and well-being during treatment.